Good morning, friends. We are on our way to Galveston, Texas. We just stopped at La La Land and we got banana cream matcha. One for me, one for the boys, and then Andres got a banana cream latte. I've never had that, so a ver qué tal. The girls just woke up. It is actually 7 a.m. so they are pretty sleepy. I'm sure they'll go back to sleep pretty soon, hopefully. But we'll bring you guys along. Hello friends. We actually made it to Houston. We are in the hotel and I want to give you guys a little tour. So this is the entrance. To our right we do have the restroom. We have the shower. We have a closet and we also have a little fridge here. We have 2 queen size beds and let me show y'all the pool. So I think this is like the bottom of Texas and then it goes all the way around. So we are staying at the Marriott and this hotel has a lazy river and it's the shape of Texas, so it's pretty cool. The boys are super excited. They want to go and get in already. I am actually taking a little break because I am feeling super sick. I don't know what the heck I ate yesterday, but I pretty much got like food poisoning or something. All morning my stomach was feeling some type of way. When we arrived to the hotel, I just needed to take a nap. So I took a little 10-minute nap and now I'm gonna head downstairs to meet with everybody else. I am here with my girls que se iban a dormir. ¿Y tú qué? ¿Dónde está papá? ¿Ahí está papá? Papá. Papá, hola. They went to the pool and the girls were gonna take a nap. Pero Emelincita no se durmió. Bravo, Emily. Qué bonita está Eren. Aquí va papá. Papá. Oopsie. Over here. Ahí está papá, Emi. Ahí está Manuel. Díganle hola, papá. They're over there. They can't see us. Hola, Emi. Oh, little chokester. Good morning, friends. It's day 2. Hola, buenos días. It is 7:30 in the morning and I am on my way to yoga. I've never done yoga in my life, but we'll see how it goes. I definitely feel better than yesterday. I don't feel bloated and I'm so happy. So, oh, it seems like it rained.
Shift your weight from one foot to the other foot. Back to the middle. Both feet are going to be in the middle of the mat. Go together. Knees wide as the mat. Right hand, palm facing up, is going to go under your left arm and across. You can bring your right shoulder. Left hand. The left knee. You're gonna take a very slow, careful step all the way to the top of the mat. To the left, drop the heel, and arms to the side. Right toes do face over top of the mat, right knee bent. Bring your right leg the same way as the right knee bent. Send it back and your chest forward. Hands to your heart. 3, 2, 1, and slowly.
Really bad over here in this infinity pool. I was like, that's not good.
How are you? Look, somebody in the box right there.
1, 2, 3, say cheese. Don't look at me.
There's a white tiger right here.
The White Ranger.
Oh my goodness! He's staring right at us. I am.
Coloring. He colors green. Coloring tiger. Is that you?
No, it just feels really soft.
Emmanuel. It has teeth. Really soft. Emmanuel. It came off. That's it.
Your hands. Like that. Slow with your hands. And go slow in there. You let it go. It's hard. Put your hands.
I love the other
Coming, Chuck.
Hold it hard. It's coming, don't worry. She thinks mommy's got the food. She thinks mommy's got it. Here they come. Hold it hard, okay? Here they come, here they come. Watch. It's okay. Pick it up, pick it up. No, don't do that.
I hadn't seen that one. You want to do the last one, Chuck? Oh, my hands are so dirty. Do it. Level 2.
There's a level 3.
Oh, this is the restaurant?
over there.
It's a big one. ¿Dónde está el grande, Sira? Ajá. ¿Y el chiquito? Chiquito. ¿Dónde está eso? ¿Dónde está el grande? ¿El shark? Shark.
Hi, Amy. ¿Cómo estás?
Sharks.
Drinking water.
Oh.
Look at white fish. There's a lot of white fish over here.
Oh no! Grab it! Big one, Chuck.
Joe, what kind is that? Stingray.
Dice tu menu, what are you gonna get?
It has fried gator, chicken quesadillas,
Okay, so these coral beef grilled chicken. That's a cheeseburger. Shrimp. ¿Qué es, Emi? ¿Qué es? Hello. Mira, Emi. Hola. Chubster, are you okay, Chub?
I'm busy already.
¡Agarra la niña!
The crowd is coming out.
Stop!
The Buffalo Bayou rests just beside and behind our property. The historic Central Waterworks Building. It was involved with the 20's last two major flood events. Pretty amazing, right? The largest of the sharks that you see is the sand tiger shark, our brown sharks. They are nurse sharks and spend the majority of their time on the ocean floor.
We made it to the beach! Galveston, Texas, and it's a cloudy day. It's windy actually.
I like it.
Come closer over here.
It's gonna start raining from over there. I guess.
Oh, she got a fish! She's eating a fish!
Yeah!
Don't scare her! That's her food! What'd you say? What is it? Oh my gosh, that's big! That's huge!
Did I touch it? I want to touch
Andres,
it.
you're gonna kill her.
We already killed another one. Touch it right here. Touch it, guys.
Look at that little fish. Look at that tiny fish.
Did
Don't
he
touch
eat
it.
it?
Don't touch
That's a fish.
Tiny fish.
Put it here, bro. Put it in. What are you doing?
Oh, look, is that a fish in there?
Yeah, they eat fish.
No, it's not a fish.
Look, there's another one by the shoe over there. Tiny
What
fish.
the heck? Hey, put it here. Put them in here.
Sure they live.
Mommy, look at her castle. Mommy,
Show me your castle. Show me your castle.
look at her castle.
Whoa, Chub, you made this?
Help her, buddy.
No, she just got out here. Don't put her to work.
Oh, just
Oh, this is so pretty.
It's Ezekiel Easy Eat.
There's a jellyfish on me.
They're there.
Look at the little
Oh,
fish.
it's alive.
Yeah.
It's a fish.
We want the aquarium in the castle. Come on. The little fish.
That's impossible.
There's one.
Yeah. A fish?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. That's all we need.
There's another one.
No, we just need one.
That's dead.
Oh, no.
One little fish.
Is it alive?
Yeah, literally it's moving. It's so tiny. Look, Manuel. So tiny, but it's moving.
Moving.
We'll put it in the castle.
Why? Why do I gotta touch it?
Feels like Jello, like.
I know. It looks
Stuff
like
like
jello. Oh my god.
You got a pet. The castle is a pet. It's alive. Yeah.
I want to touch it.
Nah, not the jellyfish.
You can touch a jellyfish, but you can't have no sand.
It's so cute. Shelby, you're having fun?
Yeah, we're not tearing this apart.
city turns a memory.
Thank you.
How many names here?
No,
Go, Abby, go, Abby, go! Wow, Emmy! Yay, Eden! Yay! Wow! Wow! ¡No! La boca no. No, no, no. Everybody's over there. Woo, Emmy! It's a beautiful day after the rain. It doesn't feel too hot. The water is perfect. There's not a lot of seaweed. The water is actually clear. Like you can actually see my toes. Right, mamacita? No te comes eso. No, no, Eden. Woo, Emmy! Whoop! You can see the little fish.
I want to pick it up. Let's put it on like that.
You see the little fish. Por perdedores.
We lose some, we win some. Salud. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
You won?
Annie, I don't think you ate yours.
Wait, what is it?
It's like a fried shrimp.
Hey, look, show. Mira, show.
Que es una panilla.
Pero vamos a do it for this, so they can know that not to do it. Don't do this, don't do it,
You went for the tea.
What is that?
Salud.
Un cricket.
Hey, look at the eyes first.
We eat this in Mexico.
You don't eat that, though.
I've had it in Mexico.
Dale. You gotta bite
What
it.
do you mean? Those chapulines. They have them everywhere.
Alright,
How do you? It doesn't even taste like nothing.
Oh my.
Protein, baby. Hey, your dad got money or what?
A ver, what you got? Hey, show us what you got.
Hey, your dad owns the bank, right? Got money? High five. Got money?
There's a camera on me.
Ahora vamos a hacer la aguachile.
We have another ceviche.
Over here.
Nice over there.
I know, it looks really good.
I want the mac and cheese.
They're gonna be taking all that to go.
I'll be rice and spam. Thank you. Fine, no.
You better share.
Yeah, we got the bag now.
Bro, I thought you